So let me begin with a quick welcome. This will be, I guess, the introduction to the introduction. I'll turn it over to Graham Dinwiddie in a moment here for the rest of the introduction. But welcome. I'm very glad to see you here. I'm Mark Janis. I'm Robert Lucas, professor, chair in law at Indiana University School of Law in Bloomington, director of the Center for Intellectual Property Research there. Co-hosting this conference together with Professor Graham Dinwiddie of Oxford. The approach here is very simple. Gather the leading experts in the area of design law and give all of you a great deal of time to talk and debate the subject. So I want to get us on to that very quickly here this morning. I do want to say a couple of thank yous before I do turn it over to Graham. And Graham will also have a few words to say about the logistics and other matters, I believe. But just a few thank yous first of all. Certainly, we greatly appreciate the support of Microsoft in connection with the conference. And of our law firm sponsor, which is the Chicago law firm of McAndrews, Held Malloy. We've also had the benefit of outstanding administrative support both here at Oxford and on the Indiana side. So Allison Hess, who's standing over by the doorway, is the administrative director of the Center for Intellectual Property Research and has done a phenomenal job of pulling all this together. As well, Natalie Jones, who may be out in the lobby, is a third-year JD student. Oh, she's back in the back there, yes. Third-year JD student at Indiana, a research assistant of mine, is also providing great help for the conference. So really appreciate that. And last but not least, I certainly want to thank my colleague, Professor Dinwiddie. It seems like we've had an interest in comparative design protection for a long time between the two of us, and for a long time I have wanted to pull together a conference of this type, so it's just wonderful to finally be able to pull it off, and to pull it off in such a great setting with such a great crowd of people. So that's my introduction to the introduction. I'm going to step aside and let Graham say a few words, and we will move right into the first panel at that point. Graham.
Yep.